Put on. I put on my pajamas. Put on your hat. Throw up. I threw up. He threw up after eating too much. Take off. I took off my sweater. He took off his hat. Call off. The game was called off. He called off the wedding. Carry on. Carry on working. Carry on running. See off. I saw off my friend at the airport. I will see you off. Hold back. I held back my tears. She held back her laughter. Let in. Let me in. Let me in. I forgot my phone. Pass out. I almost passed out. She passed out from the heat. Take down. Take down my number. Take down my email. Turn around. She turned around. Turn around so I can see. Call out. He called out my name. I called out to her. Fall down. He fell down. My phone fell down. Run into. I ran into a friend. I ran into my teacher. Talk over. We talked over the problem. Let's talk over the time. Wrap up. Let's wrap up work. Time to wrap up the game. Take off. The plane will take off at 9 a.m. The flight is about to take off. Turn down. She turned down his proposal. Turn down the music. Give back. Give back my notebook. Give back my money. Go through. I am going through a tough time. I went through pain. Come back. They will come back soon. Dad came back home. Do over. Do it over. I'll do the picture over. Eat out. Let's eat out. I like to eat out. Get along. I get along with my classmates. Now we get along. Give away. I will give away my clothes. They gave away free food. Give up. She gave up studying. He gave up his job. Go on. Go on, I'm listening. The meeting will go on. Hang out. I hang out with my cousins. We hang out at the park. Let down. I let my parents down. Sorry I let you down. Look after. My mom looked after me. Look after my bag. Pass away. His dog passed away. My grandma passed away. I picked up the phone. He picked up the book. I picked up the phone. Pick up. I picked up my daughter. I will pick up milk. Run over. The car ran over a cat. The car ran over a tree. Take after. She takes after her mom. I take after my aunt. Take down. Take down the pictures. Take down the book. Work on. He is working on English. I need to work on writing. Ask out. I want to ask her out. Ask her out today. Break out. A fire broke out. A fight broke out.